How to recover Telegram account lost phone number. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and search for Telegram support. Now open up the first website. Now tap on the issue box. Now write I want to recover my account. I lost my phone number. So please help me out. Now enter your email. Now enter your phone number and tap on submit. Now wait for some time until Telegram support team contacts you. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.